Hey guys, today we're gonna be showcasing this legendary football script. As you can see, it teleports you to the ball whenever you press F, and it has speed. Oh, there you go. And when you press Q, it speeds you up. Also, some features in here, as you can see, there's a Dex, and with the Dex, you're gonna have to remove anti-exploit, and that's how you can use it. Cause I haven't figured out a way. If anybody has a way to fix it, post it down in the comments. See, it works, and you press Q, which is like kind of like flying. Well, this is an auto catch script, and in order for this to work, it's only synapse only, cause you need the Dex Explorer for it to work. You open up Dex Explorer, you go to let me move this. You look for replicated something storage, and then you scroll down here, and right here it should stay. Well, it was saying anti-exploit enabled, but I removed it, which all you do is right click and then cut, and then yeah, it should work. As you can see, it's working right now. It teleports you to the ball every time, and in one game I got up to 300 points, so see what you can really do with it. And there's a little thing I figured out about legendary football real quick. Let me show you guys. I think it's really OP. Hold on, let me get this. Let me get this real quick. We'll see. We'll see. I think he's trying to get a 99 yard touchdown. Oh, what the? See, also, you do need a little bit of skill, like, for you to use this, cause it can teleport you to the ball and all that. Sorry for the low graphics or whatever. It can teleport you to the ball and all that, but you kind of need to be good with the game, so you can mess around with that. Let me show you the This might come out in the future. I might team up with somebody. If anybody's watching this and they know how to make something good like this, let me show you. Hold on. So this is my character right here. You go to right here. If anybody can make a script where you make the catch left and catch right, like humongous, but for a local player only, and when you press C, it just grabs the ball. That's OP. And remember, this is not part of the script. I'm just trying to explain feature ideas. The block part, you can make that huge too, so as soon as you walk up to somebody, you can just knock them down easily. Like you're about to, if he throws it, let me catch it. Just watch. Oh yeah, the keybinds are Q to speed up like I am right now, and F to catch a ball. And you kind of have to spam it. Oof, close. Alright, that'll be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the script. And it's not made by me. I just put it together. And don't DM me. I just told you you have to use Dex Explorer to remove anti-exploit. And also, don't use it too much. Don't break the game, because the game might get shut down for it. And you know, just and like I said, you see the blue. Oh yeah, for to get this, you just have to do that. And remember, let's have a quick recap. Let me show you. Right here, reflected storage. You go to anti-exploit should be there. It should look like this. You can't view the script because Dex is trash. So you just right click on it and you cut. And it should work. Because this is my like 5th server trying to get it to work. It doesn't work really, to be honest with you. So you have to try to cut. Alright, hopefully you guys enjoyed the script. Oh, what the? Yo. And yeah. Go look at the credits. It's not made by me. Enjoy it.